My preparation for the Olympic Games is going well. I feel like it's right on track, just building fitness and trying to put those finishing touches on my routines. I am competing in a few weeks, so I'm really excited to get back out there on the competition floor in that mindset and really dust off the cobwebs, and I'm thinking this will give me a nice confidence boost before going to Tokyo. I have received funding from the Institute of Sport, and I am so grateful for this. With gymnastics being a fairly new sport in Jamaica, I never expected to receive much support financially, and so I do work alongside my training, but receiving this funding from the Institute of Sport has allowed me to work less hours and just focus more on my training, and I think this will be a great factor in delivering the results that I want when we get to Tokyo. This is my second Olympic Games. In 2012 I was reserve, so I didn't actually get to compete, so this time out there on the competition floor, and Jamaican fans can expect to see the same charisma that Jamaican athletes are known for. I'll be out there with a great big smile, proudly wearing the Jamaican flag, and I'll do my best to make everybody proud.